Morning, YouTube. Good morning. It's like 7:30, 7:45-ish in the AM. You know, I'm out here on the grind trying to hit a mill this month. Yeah, so we're back, another banger. We as in me. I'm gonna be taking the light bar off this guy and throwing it on there, right there. Not in the bottom, not on the top, not inside, right on the bumper. And it's gonna sit exactly like this, but on my truck. I know, like, I'd probably rather prefer it like overhead or in the grill there, but that's also money that I don't have to spend, and this is free. I'll just change it all over. I've done it 3 times already, so it's another time. Frozone out here. Okay, let's pop this guy off. Just one. Okay, nice and easy. I know you guys love this. Like, stop capping. So you actually don't need the wrench for this, because there it is. The nut's really loose. I was using my Foingy. I love this light bar. Dawson bought it for me. Came with a light bar, 2 pods. It was off eBay. It was like 100, I think. Dawson's got big racks, guys. Like, I don't. Why do you think I've used this light bar 600 times instead of just getting a new one? Or, sorry, a different one. Okay. Let's check out the wiring here. What do we got going on? Well, obviously it's mint wiring. We can all agree on that. Freaking off-roader. It's really the coldest day to do this on. Obviously. Show you guys I'm a warrior. Ow! It's been a minute since I've turned some wrenches, boys. Lit bar is disconnected. No, according to my calculations. Should just slide right out here. There we go. Okay, light bar's off. Minty, boys. I literally bought a new tripod holder and then instantly broke it. Like, that was like the second time I used it. Oh, shit. And I just snapped it. It was plastic. It's either my muscle strength is inhuman or it's really cold out. Why look like Justin Bieber right now, boys? Chizzy? I know you guys like loyal rigs around here. Ooh, that's Frozone. Engine's probably frozen, no oil in it, just water. Oh, that's a no bueno, boys. Not even gonna try. Okay, so what we're gonna do is pop the old hood that has all my tools on it. Almost flew off. Okay, let's put these down here. Oh, slip and slide. So yeah, I broke my tripod already, so you guys are gonna be along for this chaos instead of watching it. Okay, look at this beauty, boys. Just beauty. I'm actually gonna keep this battery now that I think about it. Why not? That already has its own battery, obviously. Okay, beauty angle. It's my good side too. I've just been playing COD Mobile. Anybody like that game? You know what I'm saying? Like, I can't believe a mobile game is actually fun and easy to play. Never thought I'd come across that in my life. Like, I'm not really a massive fan of mobile, but like the COD Mobile is actually pretty sick. There we go. There, perfect. Multiple ends. That's there. Okay. Cut that. Super strength. Make sure you guys leave a thumbs up for this early morning mod shop. Okay, so that light bar actually fits perfect on my Dodge. You'll see in a sec. I got my hood on. Just look at that. So they live in Alberta. Alaskan soldier. Okay. I'm gonna go with a 12, most likely wrong. But it's the way she goes when you're borderline retarded. My dad's flexing the rig on me right now, boys. Unreal. Parks it in front of me. Trying to get to my head right now. Okay, got all the wiring off. This thing's done now. That literally fits perfect. Like, perfect. As best as you could get. Like, edge to edge. I think it's a 50-inch curved. Like, look at that. Just beauty. I think it looks really good. Engine bay is just mint as well. Cleaned it a while back just with that degreaser stuff. Intake's doing good. And actually, I did have a check engine. I just taped it though. That thing was moving a little bit because we kind of jigsawed it to work. But now it's all good. No check engines for like a month now, so we're good. Love this rig, terrible on gas, but away she goes. So now I gotta hook it up to the battery. And then I gotta drill it through. Pretty straightforward. It's really nice to get just the leads. It's just like plug and play at this point. Whereas if you're doing it yourself, you need like a relay, you need all the wires. In my opinion, it's a little bit harder if you're just starting out. I would say get the leads. These are like 3-way, so I can hook up pods and stuff too. I can hook up the light bar and the pods. So in the future, if I wanted to put pods, I think I want to do reverse lights as well. Just big pods, I can just flip them on when I'm in reverse. That would be a good idea, I think. Mint boy. Okay, bolt it up, super easy. Just drill through the plastic top layer. Just like no measurements, but just mint. Ran it through the grill. Comes up here, I still gotta tie it all down, but connects to the lead. And those are the extra ones for pods. I'm not gonna put any on, I don't think. And all this excess. The relay stuck down there. There you go. Relay's there. So that's all gonna get zapped to the battery. Through right there. I'll show you on the inside. So it popped out actually. As you can see, this whole thing popped out. So I'm gonna push that back in, and then the switch. What I do is I just cut it each time. I redo it and just re-cramp. It's super simple. So let's see if we can see the reflection on the truck. She's working mint. So now I'm gonna go ahead and electric tape everything. Alright, lit boys, final product. Just all in place, all strapped up. Inside, got that guy there, all tucked away. Just gotta put that like hole back together, but other than that, it's all done. Wow. Just wow. That's all I gotta say about that. So I don't know if I'm gonna do this or not. I got this a long time ago from my GMC. Never used it. Now I'm thinking if I do my third brake light and my tail lights with that on the Dodgy, then it'll look good. Just really light. Like I don't want like fully black. I just want like maybe 2 coats. Like it looks really good. So I think I'm gonna do that. It also has to be warm, so I might wait till later. Taillights are super easy to remove anyways. I was able to throw one of my car fleet stickers on it. Pretty sick actually. I didn't think it'd stick honestly, but I have a cover. I know you don't need one, actually you might, but I would rather not get a ticket for another dumb reason, because that's all the tickets I got are just dumb. So there it is, complete final product now. Now what I could do is put this under the grill, but for now it's whatever. It's good enough. All you have to do is just pop the grill out and just slide it under. But now, do I do the back? Do I throw the full send flag on it? Like there's a bunch of opportunities.
Day 2.
Right, crazy guys. It's the next day. So what I'm gonna do is tint that guy first. See if I like it. And I just can't have my taillights off because I'm waiting to see if I'm gonna need to go into work and fill for someone. Put a new sticker on, found it. So I'm gonna go ahead and tint that guy. Then I'm gonna tint the back. So I'm gonna tint the back, and then I'm gonna tint the front. 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 And then I'm Yeti, here's to the wild. Okay, so this is like, I don't know, like a 1.5 coat, I guess, 2 coats maybe. I just sprayed it on at once. But you can see like there's kind of bumps, it looks like almost. I don't know why. There's 3 bumps in the middle of the light, like that one, and that one. Those are supposed to be there, but that one there is not. Well, you can see like the spacks. Is it on the bottom? I don't think it's on the bottom, so it might have to do with the cold. We'll see how it dries though. That's why I wanted to test on this light. This is like the least worried about. How's the bottom look? I might have to get another coat on the bottom, but it looks pretty good though. Like, it's the top light. Hopefully nail it on the tail lights. I brought it inside. It's been inside for like half hour now. And it's actually way better. Like those bumps seem to have dried and they're not as bad as they were. So I was worried there, but I think it was just the cold. It wasn't drying that quick. Whereas now it's turbo drying. I don't think it'll go this dark either. It's pretty dark. Okay, so I think that actually looks really good. Once again, that is really dark. If you look at it, I think that looks sick.
Day 3.
Views on views, ladies and gentlemen. Okay, now we're doing the tail lights. Just gonna grab the tools. Look at that though, on the farm, on my farm boy. This thing is hold up here, ladies. Oh, it's icy out here. It's like my wrist, boys. Got them out. They're just T25 Torx 2. Pop them out. These clips. Just pop them out. As you can see, they're icy. So I'm gonna let them warm up a bit. So this is another way you can warm up your can. Just tuck it in, let it sleep for 24 hours. It's just mint. Look at that, nice and warm. That's the easiest way. Just put 1 coat on. Smooth, baby. Look at that. Okay, so my suggestion and advice is if you spray this down, you see that? It bubbles up. Like I've shooken it, like I don't know what it is, but it might just be the can. So my advice is spray it standing up. That way, those bubbles, they won't get on the thing. I think that's what happened to my 3rd tail light. But like, look at that. That's just beautiful sight. Way better than the 3rd tail light. So I think I'm gonna do 1 more coat. That's perfect. That's exactly what I wanted. Beauty. So now I'm gonna let them dry and I'll see you guys back when I throw them on. 2 coats right there. All right guys, time for the reveal. So really light tint, considering how much you can do, but it works perfect for me. I love it. Came out really good, really easy. Thanks for watching, guys. That's gonna do it. If you made it this far, give a thumbs up, leave a comment if you liked it, and subscribe for sure. We're on the come up right now. So thanks, guys. See you later.